In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add TOTP in Bitwarden. By the end, you'll have time-based one-time passwords set up for your Bitwarden account, giving you a strong extra layer of protection whenever you sign in. TOTP, or time-based one-time password, is a short code that changes every 30 seconds. It's generated on a device you control, like your phone, so even if someone knows your master password, they still can't get in without that fresh code. This is Bitwarden's two-step login using an authenticator app. Start by opening your browser and going to the Bitwarden Web Vault. Sign in if prompted, and make sure you're looking at your Vault dashboard. It helps to have your authenticator app installed on your phone or another trusted device before you continue. Next, click Settings. You'll find it in the sidebar of the Web Vault. This is where Bitwarden keeps all account and security preferences. We're going to work entirely from here, so you won't need to leave this section once it's open. Inside Settings, choose Security. This page brings together options related to protecting your account. Think of it as your control center for how Bitwarden verifies it's really you. Now click Two-Step Login. This screen lists all of the second-factor methods Bitwarden supports. Some methods may require a paid plan, but the Authenticator app method is widely supported and straightforward to set up. Select Authenticator app. This means you'll use an app like Bitwarden Authenticator, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, 1Password, or Authy to generate the 6-digit codes. Keep that app handy. We're about to link it to your Bitwarden account. Click Manage. Bitwarden will display a QR code and in many cases a text-based secret key. Treat what you see here like a password and never share it. If someone else scans or copies it, they could generate your codes. Finally, scan the QR code with your Authenticator app. In most apps, tap the add or plus button, choose scan, and point your camera at the QR. If your camera can't scan it, look for an option to enter a setup key manually and type the code exactly as shown. After scanning, your app will start showing a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. If codes seem out of sync, make sure your device time is set automatically. That's it. You've added TOTP to Bitwarden's two-step login. From now on, you'll use your Authenticator app's code along with your master password to sign in, dramatically improving your account security.